In this video, we will show you how to use the RWS Support Gateway. In your Internet browser, navigate to gateway.rws.com. The RWS Support Gateway enables you to visit the RWS community, search the knowledge base, view technical documentation, read the RWS support policy, get support for the Trados Studio licensing and installation. If you have a support contract, select Login for support in order to log a support case or to view and update any existing support cases. You will be directed to the sign-in page. Use the email address and password that you used when you first created your account. If you do not have your password, click on the Don't Remember Your Password link. Enter your email address and an email will be sent to you allowing you to reset your password. If you know your password, enter your email address and password in the login page and click Login. You will now be taken back to the RWS Support Gateway. You will now be able to log a support case. And in My Support, view any existing support cases. This video has shown you how to access the RWS Support Gateway and the features and functionalities available. Thank you for watching.